Hi, my name is Andy. I have been repairing the infrared sauna for 7 years in Edmonton City, Canada. So in this video, we are going to introduce how to repair infrared sauna. So the first approach is to unplug the outlet from the wall and then restart it. Sometimes this works. And the second approach is to look at the roof or maybe under the bench to reconnect all of the connections of the heater or controls, and this may solve the problem. So we have a customer, he bought my parts, and then when he want to repair, the sauna started working. So this is the second approach. And then number 3, if none of this works, then take a multimeter and check if you are a certified electrician, or be careful and use the multimeter to check where the electricity stops. Usually it stops at the transformer or at the motherboard. So now we are going to look at the parts so you will have a better understanding. So this is the ceramic heater. If a ceramic heater was broken, then the resistance, the ohm, will be not a real number. So if the ceramic heater is working and you use a multimeter to test, the real reading will be 0.025 kilo ohm or 0.035 kilo ohm or 0.0xx kilo ohm. And this is the infrared heater. So the infrared heater almost never broken. I'm here 7 years and I only changed one piece of infrared heater which was broken, made by Costco Sauna. So this is the keypad. The keypad could be different shape, and this is the temperature sensor. Usually stay on the roof of the sauna, like here. This is the temperature sensor. So now we are coming back to look at the parts, and this is the control box. And this control box, I opened one already. So this is the transformer that supply power to the motherboard and also supply power to the light if your light require 12 volts. And this is a plug. So this is originally 120 power goes in. This 1, 2, 3, 4 are the heaters. This 1, 2 are the lights, which you can look at here, and it shows you heater, roof lamp, and reading lamp. So not every sauna have this plug. They may have very different plug, but the theory are the same. Basically, they have a timer and a temperature sensor to control the temperature, and a time to count down and to shut down the sauna. Like this is a Far North keypad, just for your reference. Now if we turn on the reading light, so let's put here so we can look at the lights together. Sorry, I put wrong button. So let's put this light here. So this is reading light, and this is here. So reading light, it's on. And now we are going to introduce something more detailed about the control box. So as you can see, all of the heaters, 1, 2, 3, 4, they goes to here. So if your sauna have different heater plug, or if your heater wire are all under the bench, you can wire all of the heater all the way to here in order to use my control box. Now let's talk about the light. My light output right now is 120 volts. So roof and reading lamp, both are 120. So they are here. 1, 2. If you require 12 volts light on my control box, it's easy. So this plug originally plugged here. This is controlled on the keypad here, color lamp. So you can use this connected to your 12 volts lights. And then if you require more of the 12 volts, then you can use this one. This one, if you look at carefully on the board, it says fan. This originally is designed to operate a 12 volts fan that blows air to the CD player constantly once the sauna is on. So this is 12 volts, and then here we have more 12 volts if you need, and this is for boozer, so don't worry about this, will not work on your sauna. But finally, this one, close to the biggest plug, this is for temperature sensor. So if you buy my control box, my complete control system, I will not give you this plug. And what I'm going to give you is a sensor. And you can wire this sensor wire to here. Basically cut this wire and wire this together. Then that's your temperature sensor. So I have this control box in both 20 amp and 15 amp available. And of course, if you want to buy this wire, of course you can buy this. So this is an extension of the heater outlet. You can maybe cut here and connect to your heater. Or sometimes a customer asks me, oh, I have 8 heaters, but you only have 4 plugs. What should I do? So if you have 8 heaters, basically 2 or 3 heater make the wire join together and then goes to the heater wire, then goes to the heater outlet. And again, as we talked at the beginning, all of the heater eventually goes here. You could wire all of the heater wire joined to 2 wire and come to here. So we have a frame if necessary, some of the customer require. But if you use this frame, you still need something at the back, a bigger wood to support in order to screw on the wall. And you can only buy one keypad. These keypads are parallel to each other. And thank you for watching. I think that's everything about the infrared sauna. And finally, let's look at the ceramic heater, the control box, the keypad, the one of my light, and you can also look at my color light, because you could change to buy a color light with a remote control. And this is the ionizer, this is the Bluetooth, that's a speaker, and that's the keypad on our sauna. And so that's everything. Thank you. Bye.